Hello students. In last part we talk about the lifespan of the organism. In this part we talk about the different types of the asexual reproduction in animals. Animals के बीच में कुछ different type के जो asexual reproduction है उसको हम देखेंगे. The most common asexual reproduction in animals are 5 types. The first is fission, budding, spore formation, plasmogamy, and fragmentation. These are the 5 main categories of the asexual reproduction in animals. The fission is again divided into 2 types: binary fission and multiple fission. And in case of budding also 2 types of the bud formation takes place: exogenous bud and endogenous bud. Now we see about the first type, that is the fission. Fission is nothing but the splitting of the organism. Means the body of the organism is splitted into 2 or more numbers, and that process we call the fission. इसके बेसिस पे इसको 2 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है. The first is binary fission. The most common example in binary fission is amoeba and paramecium. In amoeba or paramecium, the body is irregular shape with the center nucleus is present, and around the nucleus cytoplasm is present. Here the body is directly divided into 2 parts. The body is divided into 2 parts always, that we called it binary fission. When the divided part gain the optimum size, then it again divided into 2 organisms. And that process is continuously going on. That is the type of binary fission. The second is multiple fission. The example of multiple fission is Plasmodium. Plasmodium is the protozoan, and it is the carrier of the malaria parasite. In Plasmodium, the biggest body with central nucleus and surrounded by cytoplasm. In the body of the Plasmodium, first process karyokinesis takes place. Karyokinesis is nothing but the division of the nucleus. Means from the single nucleus, the number of the nucleus are developed. And after that, cytokinesis takes place. Cytokinesis is the formation of the division of the cytoplasm. Each nucleus surrounded by the numerous cytoplasm. And number of the organisms are developed. That is the type of the multiple fission. These fission process is generally found in the lower categories of the organism, means generally in invertebrates. The second type is budding. Budding also takes place in lower organisms. It again divided into two parts: exogenous bud. The example of the exogenous bud is yeast and hydra. In yeast body, the outgrowth is developed on the body of the yeast, and that outgrowth is called the bud. In favorable condition, the bud is detached from the main body and located on the suitable substratum and develop into new plant. Same condition in case of hydra. Hydra with the number of tentacles. A external outgrowth is developed on the body of the hydra, and in that favorable condition, the bud is detached from their body, fall on the suitable substratum and separately develop. The second type of the budding is endogenous budding. The example of endogenous budding is Spongilla. Spongilla is the fresh water sponge. Spongilla की बॉडी में क्या होता है? That is the body of the spongilla. The inner wall of the body developed the number of the buds inside the body, and that buds is also called the gemule. And that gemules are separate from the body, fall on the suitable substratum and develop into new organism. The structure of the gemule is near about. It is the dome shaped structure, tapering at the end, and the tapering end is called micropyle. And here the mass of the cells are developed. Number of the cells aggregated to form the mass of the cells, and this cells is surrounded by the gelatinous membrane. That is the complete structure of gemule, and that gemule developed inside the body of the spongilla, so that is called the endogenous bud. And if it detached from the body of the organism and develop into new organism. The third type of the asexual reproduction is spore formation. Spore formation, that type of the reproduction is generally found in algae and fungi. Whenever we talk about the algae develop both type of the spores, that is the motile spores and non-motile spore. Motile spore in Chlamydomonas, that type of the spores with the flagella on it, and that flagella help in the locomotion. And non-motile spore found in fungi, that is the Conidia. Conidia are non-motile spores and developed in Penicillium with the long chain. They are arranged in the form of long chain. That is the body of the Penicillium, and here the long chain of the Conidia develop. In algae, the motile spore Chlamydomonas are developed, that we also call the zoospore. And in fungi, non-motile spore Conidia are developed. Here is the type of the spore formation. The next type of the reproduction is asexual reproduction is plasmogamy. In plasmogamy is found in multinucleated protozoan. एग्जाम्पल ओपेलिना and Pilomaxa. Opelina and Pilomaxa is the organism with number of nucleus present in their body, means they are multinucleated animals. Then firstly in their body cytokinesis takes place. Cytokinesis is nothing but the division of the cytoplasm. Then how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Suppose 9 nucleus are present in the original plant animal body or parent body. पेरेंट बॉडी के अंदर अगर 9 न्यूक्लियस है तो साइटोकाइनेसिस प्रोसेस के अंदर जो 2 ऑर्गेनिज्म डेवलप होते हैं उनके अंदर जो न्यूक्लियर का डिवीजन होगा वो अनइक्वली होगा. 9 जो न्यूक्लियस है वो अनइक्वली डिवाइड होंगे 2 ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बीच में. एंड आफ्टर दैट कैरियोकाइनेसिस टेक्स प्लेस. In karyokinesis process, the individual gain the number of the nucleus by the number of the nucleus present in the parent body. Parent body के अंदर जितने number of the nucleus developed हुए थे उतने number of the nucleus karyokinesis के बाद उस organism में developed होते हैं. Means इस यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 इसकी बॉडी में 6 न्यूक्लियस गए थे साइटोकाइनेसिस प्रोसेस के दौरान, तो हमें उसको नो करना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. हियर द ऑर्गेनिज्म इज़ फुल्ली डेवलप्ड. और यहाँ पे 3 गए थे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here the process of karyokinesis and cytokinesis both process takes place and the organism is developed like a parent body. ये डॉटर सेल है एंड दैट डॉटर सेल अगेन एबल टू रिप्रोड्यूस. अब ये फिर से रिप्रोड्यूस करने के लिए एबल है. दैट होल प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड द प्लाज्मोगैमी. एंड द लास्ट प्रोसेस ऑफ द असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इज फ्रैगमेंटेशन. Fragmentation is the process in which animal body or organism body fragment into pieces or breaking down into number of pieces. Number of pieces. Example Spirogyra and Planaria. ये सिंपल स्पायरोगायरा की बॉडी है एंड सपोज इट इज़ द बॉडी ऑफ प्लेनेरिया. ये प्लेनेरिया का स्ट्रक्चर है आपका. तो अगर हम इस बॉडी को दैट इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ एनस और दैट इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ माउथ, यहाँ पे भी ये माउथ का पार्ट है, ये एनस का पार्ट है. अगर बॉडी हमारी यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो जाती है, 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड होते हैं, तो जो माउथ वाला पार्ट है वो वाला पार्ट आपका यहाँ पे एनस डेवलप करेगा, एनस वाला पार्ट माउथ डेवलप करेगा, और जो मिडल पार्ट है, मिडल पार्ट ऑफ दैट डेवलप द बोथ पार्ट माउथ एज वेल एज एनस. एनस और माउथ दोनों पार्ट डेवलप करेंगे एंड एक ऑर्गेनिज्म से 3 ऑर्गेनिजम्स आपके डेवलप होंगे, 3 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. एंड प्लेनेरिया में भी सेम कंडीशन है। यहाँ पे अगर डिवीजन किया जाता है तो माउथ पार्ट प्रेजेंट है तो वो क्रिएट करेगा एनस पार्ट, अगर एनस पार्ट प्रेजेंट है तो वो क्रिएट करेगा माउथ पार्ट, एंड अगर दोनों पार्ट अब्सेंट है तो इट क्रिएट द बोथ पार्ट, माउथ एज वेल एज एनस पार्ट। इस तरह से प्लेनेरिया भी अपनी टोटल बॉडी को पूरी तरह से डेवलप कर सकता है, एंड दैट इज़ द सिंपल मेथड ऑफ द असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन द ऑर्गेनिज्म। द 5 मेथड्स, the first one is fission, budding, the spore formation, plasmogamy and fragmentation. Here the asexual reproduction in organism completed. Now in next video we talk about the asexual reproduction in plant.